Hey, thanks for getting in and welcome aboard. Before you move any farther, how about upgrading your order and unlocking the full Looks Like Video with its Pro Edition? You see, the copy of ClickVidio you have now is really more than enough to sell your videos, but really wanted to make more profits quickly. You definitely need to stay with me here for a couple of minutes. So why go pro? First of all, you don't want your hard work to go down the drain for nothing. You don't want your videos and thing up on Torrance and sharing sites. That would be a serious blow to your overall bottom line, right? There are legal ways to deal with illegal content sharing, but let's be honest, too is time for that. With the Pro Edition you can insecurities for your videos and peace of mind for yourself. What's even better is you don't need to press the buttons hundreds of go through complex. It's yet again as easy as and as simple as ClickVidio itself. With ClickVidio's proprietary smart domain technology, you get the full control where your video should play. With this technology, your videos get displayed and can be play domains that you want them to, or on demand. You own not just that to CC. Referral technology would be working at the same time without even you knowing it. So if you put in, let's say, customers Asia.com, only those people coming from that specific URL would be able to watch the videos and not anyone else. We have made protecting video brain dead easy with that. You don't. Secondly, with the Pro Edition you get access to our unique and proven seamless upsell technology that enables you to incorporate upsells right into your videos. So for instance, if a user is watching a video on how to, let's say, buy a domain, you can easily seamlessly redirect them to your upsell on your complete video training. How to blog with WordPress or anywhere you want. It's the most seamless way to do upsells, and no wonder why our students are getting Persians with this bin. With the Pro Edition you get complete access to analytics of how your videos are doing. This is to make sure optimize your videos and members area based on numbers and not just mere guesswork. Last but not least, you also get access to templates that will make sure your videos are presented in the most professional manner. These are professionally done ClickVidio that you can instantly deployed videos and members area, the looks of your choice. So as you can see, the Pro Edition fully unlocked everything inside ClickVidio. Importantly, it has got all the things necessary to make sure that you make the most from your copy of ClickVidio and your video. Coming to the price, well, as you can see, this is a one-time offer. Paid price you see here right now is the lowest price it will ever be. If you leave this page or bookmark it and come back to it later on, most probably will be up by then, so you have to make sure you act now. That remember, with ClickVidio you are already ahead of other, and with the Pro Edition you would be making that your stay ahead of other marketers consistently. So don't waste any time. Whether price is at the lowest possible point, I'll see you on the other side.